viewers, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and today's video is going to be very different because in today's video I am going to show you the collection of printed sari, that is daily wear printed sari, which usually every retailer needs to keep at their place because Indian female loves to wear that printed sarees, daily wear printed sarees. So keep watching this video if you want to see collection and want to keep everything, every printed saree in a wholesale direct from a manufacturer. Let's move further and let's see how we have maintained our variety. So I am standing in the counter of printed saree. You can see there are lots of varieties. These are just samples we have kept. This is inside house. You can see there are lots of varieties, lots of patterns, and new collection is about to arrive because every week we update our new collection. So we are going to start here with the collection of, here we have kept one bunch. So let's open this. So I have this bunch over here, that is very unique bunch. So let's open. So in one bunch there are different number of pieces. So this is going to be the catalog. So first we are going to see the catalog. So look, this is the catalog. So this is a set of 10 pieces. So you are getting 10 colors here different and 10 designs, that is a flower printing, that is also different. So let's open one sample over here so you might have idea like how beautiful pieces we have maintained. So let's open this yellow color, which is my favorite. So you can see it has an inside. First it was covered with this zipper packing, and inside that there is a polythene packing in this particular with catalog product. So let's open. Very pretty and unique piece this is, and it has a charak, like we have tied it properly. And wow, look at this masterpiece here. These are the printed daily wear sarees. Now in the printed sarees there is a different kind of fabric, just like Dani, chiffon, Renial, Wetless, Turbo, Sona silk, Vichitra silk, and lots of. So want to see, here we have maintained that varieties, like literally we have more than 500 catalog here available. And let's see like exactly how many pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this was, you've seen. So this much pieces of colors you are getting here. And friends, this is a speciality, like you will get everything set wise. Important thing, not single pieces available, you have to purchase everything in a bunch, everything set wise. So let's move further and let's see another sample. So I have one very elegant saree with the different color. So this is a set of 5 pieces. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a set of 5 pieces. So let's open this piece. Wow, now it is very unique saree because it's trending nowadays, and this is for a female, young females. Look at this masterpiece. Now you might thinking that ma'am, it is plain. So it is not plain. I want to show you the texture. So you can see here it has a glitter inside it, and that is a washable glitter. Like after washing, this saree will not fade away. That is the speciality. And the color of the cut of the saree, that is 630, and there are a lot of patterns. So let's see the colors. This one is grey. Then you can see all color patterns are very unique and very pretty. So this is very pretty piece you were getting with the polythene packing. Let's move further and let's see another over here. This is going to be the printed saree. So this is the counter of, wow, coming with the beautiful color, that is a black, coming with the blouse piece. And this fabric is a wetless fabric we are providing you. As I told you previously, we have Dani, chiffon, Renial, wetless, all kind of fabrics. So look at this, perfect for a daily wear, ideal for a daily wear. Now you might have idea like this is going to be look very pretty. So we have this collection. These are just colors and lots of patterns inside it. I want to show you one more fabric, that is going to be a Nazmeen fabric. So here is a bunch. Let's open this Nazmeen, and we are going to open this blue color. So it packed with the rubber band, and it has this golden brocade blouse piece with it. So let's keep this blouse piece over here, and this is a sari. Isn't this very pretty, guys? Isn't this pretty? Like, this is coming on a Nazmeen fabric. This is a Nazmeen based fabric I am going to show you. So this is the variety, except this if you want in a bandhani pattern. So I have one sample of bandhani. Let's see a sample of bandhani. So look, this is the bandhani sari, which is evergreen. Like, every female loves to wear bandhani sari. So isn't this pretty? So this is traditional sari. One more sample I want to show you. There is, let's see, there is a pattern, and over here, so we are going to hold very light and weight. It is actually very light and weight sari, very movable sari, and a very comfortable sari. We are providing you with a great flower printing. So very decent sari this is. So want to keep this varieties, this printed sarees at your place, you can come at Ajmera Fashion, where you will get a wild range of varieties with catalog, without catalog, with lace border, without lace border, and with a blouse piece, without blouse piece. Now it's upon you. We have lots of varieties. Want to continue, want to do your cloth business, do come here. For online order, numbers are on screen, just call there. So this was our video about printed sarees. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.